why cybersecurity matters more now. See, you might have seen so many openings for cybersecurity professional, a lot of new upcoming terminologies like security professionals are required, this course is available for security. So you might have been hearing a lot about security, right? That's a reason you are keen into it. You might have done some homework, looked into it, and joined the webinar as well. So the reason why we are focusing so much on cybersecurity is because of the transformation we are currently facing. Almost all the transactions which we do, the data which we store, most of them have been converted into a digital form. We do everything digitally instead of preferring to have a physical format. So because of this transaction, there has been a growth in cybercrime. And when you look from current India market in 2025, the actual crime rate which has costed the organization is somewhere around $10.5 trillion, which is very high because of improper security control or improper security requirement implemented in the organization. The organization has faced so much loss, somewhere around $10.5 trillion, which is a very huge amount. So in order to tackle that, all the market, or not only in India, even globally, almost all the organization require a cybersecurity professional, not just IT alone, guys. Just have that in mind. When you look from security professional background, you will not be working just in IT sector alone. Even manufacturing sector do use a software. They require cybersecurity professionals to protect their infrastructure, to protect the software. The automobile industry do require cybersecurity professionals because all the automobiles, the cars which we use, those are getting converted like automatic. They do use sensors, softwares, and cybersecurity professionals are required in that area. Healthcare industry to protect the health patients' data. So almost if you look in different domain, every industry do require a cybersecurity professional. So you might think it is just for IT people, it is information tech. No, that is not the case. Any industry you work on, there will be a security professional requirement in play. And so that's one of the reasons why cybersecurity professionals are required a lot. And if you think that only a techie background can join cybersecurity, they can grow in it, they can earn more. No, that is totally not the case. You can take me as an example. I am totally outside of computer science background, and I'm a living example to you guys. If you are interested in it, you can grow very well in cybersecurity. And with your current experience, if let's say you guys belong to HR department or teaching background or sales department, it adds a lot of value. But with your existing experience, you will be able to grow a lot using your current experience as well. So there is no requirement as in like you have to learn coding. I do not know coding, I cannot grow in it. No, that is not the case. Just by learning the basics, having a strong foundational knowledge in cybersecurity will help you in growing in it if you are pretty curious about it. So I know you guys have joined this webinar, so you're already curious about it and you have the learning mindset. So you already have one of the criteria required to become a cybersecurity professional. And when it comes to these are some of the other criterias, like a strong communication skill. And even without technical knowledge, right? Just by communicating with the stakeholders and understanding the foundation and communicating the stakeholders will add a lot of value to your career. So having a strong foundational knowledge and communication skill will help you succeed in your career, in your cybersecurity career. And analytical skills is something which the executive level, like the CEOs, CXOs require from their cybersecurity professional to identify the patterns, to understand the risk about it, analyze about it, make rightful judgment, and provide suggestion to them. So when you look from cybersecurity professional, they directly work, most of them directly work with the top management. And that is one thing which you guys have advantage as well. So you will not be working as the regular teams, you will have direct connection with the top management. Your voice will be heard by the top management. So that's why the cybersecurity career is booming and required as well. So if you have good analytical skills, if you can make proper strong judgment, you are a right pick for to become a cybersecurity professional. And another one important stuff is to attend, to listen to it, to understand, and the attention in details, focusing on what is required, the minor requirements. So if you are keen on that, yep, you are super qualified for to become a cybersecurity professional. And this is the learning curve which I suggest: have a strong basic, understand the foundation, and then if required, focus on some certification. And then once you enter your role, you will be able to gain the experience.